Hi guys, we're here today. We're going to talk about assembling a drill into a drill chuck for the CNC milling machines. Really and truthfully, there's not too much to this. You want to make sure that you have your drill chuck in one of these holders. Don't do this by hand, okay, because we have RPMs of 6,000, and if a drill chuck were to loosen up when you're doing that, the tool that's in there, the drill or whatever, could go right through the cabinet and it could cause a severe injury. So we want to make sure that we do these things properly. The one thing that you can do that I've seen done before, so you have to be conscious of, is when you have the drill chuck opened up bigger than what the tool is by too much, you can actually put the tool in and close this drill chuck. And if you look at this very carefully, you're going to see that that is not actually being held correctly. Only 2 of the jaws of the drill chuck are holding it instead of 3. So this drill is actually going to spin off center. It's going to go like this, okay, and it's not going to work out very good when you get started in the machine. So when you're loading the drill in, you don't want to have the jaws opened up too much bigger than the diameter. So I always kind of keep it out. I go like this, and if it's too big, there, now it doesn't fit, then I back it off and let it drop in. That's going to make sure that you have all 3 jaws connected to that part every single time. You'll never, ever have a problem. I turn that by hand till it's closed. Then I take this spanner wrench. This spanner wrench has a small point sticking out that is going to be inserted into this hole, and then you're going to use that like a wrench and tighten that drill chuck. We don't want to over tighten it, okay? We can be too tight, and we don't want that, because then you're going to start to ruin the drill chuck. So I'm going to put this into a hole here, and then I'm just going to go just like that. I don't know how to tell you exactly how much, but just when it starts to really give you resistance, you stop. That drill is now in there, and that is never going to come flying out, and nobody's ever going to get hurt by that. And that's how you put drills into a drill chuck. And any questions, see us in the shop.